Hello! In a previous video, we covered how you can create returns on behalf of your customer or how your customers can submit returns in the customer portal. In this video, we are going to cover how you can, one, manually push those returns to your ERP or set it up where the returns automatically go to the ERP after a customer has submitted them. So as a quick reminder, if we hop back over to the website here and we sign in as a customer, and then we go to the customer portal, we have a returns screen here, and here the customer can see all of their past returns, any returns they're currently working on, and this includes both returns submitted through Cadaris and returns that were entered in the ERP for this customer. Once a customer submits a return, the return will show up in the operations portal under the orders screen here. And to filter on just returns, you can select the columns icon and add the ERP order type column, and then filter onto just returns. Any returns in the received stage means a customer has submitted those and they are ready to be reviewed by you. So for example, this one here was already submitted by a customer, and if we click into the details, we can see an overview about that return. We can fill in some additional information if we need to, and we can also review the items that that customer is returning. If we add a few extra columns here, such as the original order ID and the return comment and reason, we can see why the customer is returning the items. So in this case, the customer has this item overstocked, they didn't specify any additional details, and their original invoice is right here. Once we are happy with this return and we are going to accept it, we can go ahead and push that into the ERP by clicking the cloud icon here. When the return inserts into the ERP, the icon is going to turn green here, and we'll also see an ERP order number on the details screen. 28372 in this case. So that's how you can manually review returns and push them to the ERP. You can also set it up where any returns submitted by a customer will automatically get pushed to the ERP so that you don't have to review them here first. To do that, what you'll want to do is go to Settings, and let's search on the word Hold. A few different settings come up, but if we scroll down, we'll see a number of settings related to holding orders. So as you can see, we have a couple settings that indicate whether we want to hold guest orders placed on the website, pickup orders, and other orders. These basically hold the order for review inside Cadaris and do not allow them to go to the ERP until you manually push them to the ERP. As you can see, they're all turned on, so the orders will be held. Very similar, we have this hold return orders, and this will hold returns if it's set to 1, so that you can review them and manually approve and then push them to the ERP. If you would like the returns to automatically go to the ERP, simply change this setting to 0 and choose Save. And now all returns placed by customers will automatically go to the ERP, unless some sort of issue prevents the return from being inserted into the ERP, in which case you can get an alert, just like normal orders trigger an alert when they get stuck in Cadaris. So let's hop back over to the customer portal and we can demonstrate the automatic releasement. I'm going to enter a new return. And let's enter the product code that I want to return. I'll choose Add. And And I'll set a return reason. Maybe this is a defected item. Item doesn't work. And now that I'm happy with my return, I'll go ahead and choose Submit Return. And this is going to change the status to Received. And if we go back to the Operations portal, we'll see that the order has automatically been inserted into the ERP as well. So let's pull up the order screen and filter back on returns. Let's refresh. And here is our most recent return released to the ERP. So hopefully that was helpful, and we'll chat again soon.